Hey guys, good morning from Amsterdam, or afternoon. It's 12:20. As you can see, I'm in my apartment in Amsterdam and I realized that I haven't vlogged for a little bit. So I wasn't really traveling and I was in New York, and I know I can do it in New York as well. So yeah, I thought it would be fun to kind of like share what I'm doing today, I guess. It is almost summer holidays, so like everything is really like slowing down here. Today I am going to have lunch with Brienne and at her like one of her favorite spots. And then tonight or this afternoon I'm going to rent a car. I'm gonna drive to the countryside and I'm going to visit my family for the night because I haven't seen them in a long time and I miss them. So yeah. It's funny because I feel like I have barely filmed in this place. Would you guys want to have a little house tour? Probably yes. Okay, let me show you guys a little bit around. So I'm in the kitchen here. So here I'm like cooking. And this is just pretty. I don't drink that much gin. And then here's like the table, all my stuff. I got these like a long time ago. This was like a Christmas present from my mom and dad. It's like a wine rack. It's a little unstable though. It looks a bit scary, but honestly, this thing is super cool. Yeah, I mean, it's not really big here. So here's like my little living area. And here, my brother made this thing for me. It's like a book stand. And this is like a really nice book from Jimmy Nelson, and he photographs like tribes. And I shot a Ralph Lauren campaign with him, so this is like super cool. And I love to like go through this. So yeah, this is kind of my living room. And then we have to go upstairs. It's so funny because in Amsterdam everything is so like tiny, and even the stairways are so small. I have always such trouble to lift my suitcases up, but yeah, I'm getting a little bit more of an expert there. So here I'm going up the stairs, and then here on the left I have just like a little extra room for like some guests. I have all my laundry here, a little zebra, not real by the way. And then here we're going to my bedroom. I mean, it is so like clean. And I mean, this is an airco I just got. I'm still like unpacking my stuff. This is like my makeup, big mess. So yeah, this is it. So as you can see, it is still super empty. But that's literally because I'm never here. So I don't really want to put a lot of stuff in here. I just want to keep it very clean, and every time if I come I really need to try to not like, you know, hamster with stuff and not put stuff everywhere in the closet. So that's why yeah, it's still like very clean, very empty, but I kind of love it when I'm here. And then here I'm gonna show you guys, I have like a little roof terrace. Yeah, and here we have like some little houses. And note to myself, I need to take care of my plants. Maybe I will do that when yeah, maybe I'll do that this week. So I have a couple days like in Amsterdam now. I have a couple meetings. I'm gonna sit inside actually. The wind is blowing my hair very much. Yeah, so look at this. This is kind of scary here. I'm wondering when the first person is gonna fall down here, but I love this big couch. Ugh. So yeah, I came to Holland obviously to see my family and to spend a little bit of time here. And I was filming here for a big Dutch TV show. I cannot say which one yet, but Dutchies will see this very soon. So I'm thinking, what time is it? I'm kind of craving a matcha so bad right now because you guys know how much I love matcha, and I haven't gotten a whisk and everything here yet. And there's like a little matcha place in the neighborhood. So I think I'm gonna get a drink there. And then Rianne is gonna come and pick me up. Oh, I also need to arrange a car for today to drive up. Busy, busy, busy. Die best. Hallo! Zat je vast daarachter?
Ik loop dood, dus ik was even omlaag.
Ja, ik weet het. Hallo, ik kom er niet springen.
Hallo!
Hallo!
Turkse meid.
Hoe gaat ie?
Goed, met jou?
Goed. Oké. Dit moet natuurlijk niet weer hier over de stoel heen. Rianne, where are you taking me?
Benji's. It's the best place to have lunch.
Half a year ago when you came to me, you said we have to go there. So now we're here. Little throwback. Yay, we arrived! Who is waiting for me? Hey! Hello! Hello! Aw, are you happy? La 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 la! Kom eens hier! Ja! Kom maar! Kom eens hier! Kom eens hier! Kom eens hier! 1, 2, 3. Doei! Jules, mijn broertje. Hallo. Hallo. Wat doen we hier? Kleine eendjes. Oh. Hoeveel?
5 stuks.
5 stuks? Oh. Tea is finished, but I'm here today with friends. So, question for you guys. Friends is the Dutch.
Okay, I'm just really curious what you have
The Dutch. The best Dutch. Hopefully you inspire the best inspired. Honestly, I really think that even a couple years ago, I was like always looking at your recipes, and like we're from the same like area in Holland, which is like countryside.
Yeah.
And I wanted to ask you guys, would you guys want to see a video of us together, like cooking or something? I would actually love to hear that. Comment down below, and then maybe
Let's do a video together.
yeah, we will be in the kitchen.
Maybe we should ask as well what kind of recipe.
Yeah, what kind of recipe? Like it's summer right now, or maybe nah, there's not really Dutch food.
No.
No.
And maybe fall foods, something with pumpkins.
Okay, well, you guys choose. We're gonna enjoy some more tea here. Okay guys, I'm back at my apartment and my friend came over. My friend Wendy. Huh? She is my personal chef. No, she's like my friend since I was like 16 years old. And we met when she came to Holland. Wendy, where are you?
Sorry, I'm here.
She's like running. She's like running away. There she is. Ta-da. Hello.
Sawadika.
Sadovika.
I'm Sanne, personal chef from Thailand. She hired me. I'm from Bangkok.
Ah, shut up. This is a pretty crazy friend though, because instead of bringing a bottle of wine or something, she brings a water cooker with her own rice.
Riceberry rice.
Riceberry rice. This is actually the
It's
healthiest.
very healthy. It's from my village as well, where Sanne also went once.
Yeah, a long time ago. I think I can learn a lot to make green curry from Wendy. I think we made it already a couple times, but she takes like curry paste from Thailand, so like I can't beat up to that. So good, and fish sauce, so prepared. Okay, we're gonna start cooking, and then we're gonna have some food.
Yeah, why she's
Chef
so tall?
Wendy.
Yeah, with Chef Wendy.
Chef Wendy and Chef Sanne.
So our final product is finished. Actually, my products, cause
I helped like cutting everything. Just give me one off day. But I did the tasting. It's so so spicy. I'm like dying. So what do we have here?
green curry, and of course, because my friend is all about being healthy, so I got special rice for her. Ready? So this is raspberry.
This is actually, guys, this is like the healthiest rice.
Yeah, on the earth.
On the
you
earth.
can't ever exist in this
Exactly.
freaking entire world. And I bought it to Sanne.
Special for me.
Special for Sanne. And now she's gonna do this thing.
This is just like, I'm just gonna try the curry. It's perfect. It's a little spicy though. Like, this is 1 spoon. I don't know if I can do a full plate, but with the rice.
No,
so
sure,
good. My compliments. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my first like Holland vlog. It's just like a day or 2 days in my daily life. Something completely different. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.
Especially if you like me, so you know I'm
Exactly.
single.
Oh, she's single too. Well, bye bye guys.